The steps to make your dreams come true in any field is as below. Decide what do you want to achieve, what will make feel happier in your real life. What will make you more respectful in the eyes of the people. Decide it. Think with a cool mind, a peaceful mind, because clear images are formed on the surfaces of water when it is stable. Write down them on paper. Think which are the possible ways to achieve them. To which people you need to talk, which course you need to study, which exams you need to do, which college or university you need to approach. Everything writes down. Divide your goals into steps. Every step should be well defined and well determined. Write down every small step. Start working on every small step with patience. Motivate yourself. On the way to your success, you may find some obstacles, but think that they are not to stop you but they are to make you more eligible and stronger. Breaks are not to break you but to refresh you. The break may come on the way of success but accept them and after some time resume the path of your success with more will, experience and vision, this time better. Search successful people in the field of your goals, see what they have done to achieve success, follow their strategy with new concepts and modern technology. Always feel that your goals are achievable and easily accessible because you will easy then, you can work more comfortably. Self-discipline makes all toughest and inaccessible goals easy and accessible. Surround yourself with positive and happy people because they will create a positive atmosphere for your work, and you will be enthusiastic to work towards your goals. Feel good, when you feel the same you get. So focus on what you want. Don't think what you don't want. If you want success, think about only success. If you want good people around, think about nice people. What you want, think about them. Read every day or listen to audiobooks every day, because this will always keep you motivated for your dreams.